nervous when you speak English? You know the words, but your mouth just doesn't open? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'll teach you 10 simple English phrases that you can use every single day. Let's start speaking English confidently today. These phrases are perfect for beginners. Simple, useful, and powerful. Repeat after me and use them in your daily life. Phrase number 1. Good morning. How are you? Use this when you meet someone in the morning. Simple, polite, and friendly. Phrase number 2. Nice to meet you. Use this when you meet someone for the first time. Phrase number 3. Can you help me, please? Don't be afraid to ask for help. English becomes easier when you ask. Phrase number 4. I don't understand. This sentence is your best friend when learning English. Phrase number 5. Can you repeat that? Native speakers say this all the time. Phrase number 6. What does this mean? Curiosity helps you learn faster. Phrase number 7. That sounds good. Use it to agree politely. Phrase number 8. I'm not sure. It's okay to be honest when you're learning. Phrase number 9. Let me think. This gives you time to answer confidently. Phrase number 10. Thank you so much. Gratitude makes your English sound natural and polite. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You just need practice. Speak every day, and confidence will follow. Like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.